Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month I'll show you how to make this high protein chocolate pudding. When you look at the ingredients for this recipe, it might seem a bit off-putting, to say the least. So if you want to know if I was pleasantly surprised or disgusted to my stomach, stay tuned and find out. With that said, let's go. Here's what you need. These amounts are about 4 servings. Place all the ingredients in the mixer. Since my mixer is quite small, I had to cut 1 egg. To the eggs, add the milk, sugar and cocoa powder. Shut the lid and blend till smooth. Transfer to a bowl or bowls and into the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Now it's time for the taste test. It actually turned out tasty, way better than I had imagined, for which I am thankful. I recommend you use about 4 to 5 eggs instead of 6 and serve it in small portions. Let me know in the comments below if you were as surprised as I was when making this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.